Hi, my name is Olivia Jordan. I'm a sophomore here at Illinois College and I'm from Moequa, Illinois. I'm the student director for the first year experience and transfer experience, and I'll be here helping you get ready for IC. First off, be sure you signed up for a Ready, Set, Go date. This will be the beginning of your orientation to the college. Not only will you leave with a fall schedule in hand, you will also meet some of your classmates. You can sign up by going to www.ic.edu/readysetgo if you haven't already done so. I'm going to walk you all through step by step how to submit your course preferences for your first year seminars and gen eds. You will need to complete these at least a week before your Ready, Set, Go date. First, you will need to log in to your single sign-on portal, or SSO for short. This is something you'll use as a student throughout your time here at IC. To log in, go to login.ic.edu and use the login information that was provided in your deposit packet you received in the mail. You can also find your login credentials where you applied at apply.ic.edu on your status page. To log in, you will use your network login, which will be your last name, first name, and the network password. When you log into your SSO, it'll show you a bunch of apps to select from. If this is your very first time logging in, though, you will probably have to select some security questions and answer to secure your account. After that, you will see the apps. You will want to go to the Connect2 app to do your course preferences. You can also review information about your placement exams here too. From here, you will want to select the New Students tab. Read the instructions on this page to be sure you're doing the right thing. We'll do the course preferences first by clicking on First Year Seminar and Course Preferences. The courses you select are a rough draft of your schedule for the fall. It's basically an opportunity for you to reserve your seat in a class. You will select more course preferences than what you will actually take in the fall because a typical course load each semester is only about 4 classes. Don't worry about making mistakes in your selection. You will meet with a professor, your registration advisor, at the Ready, Set, Go date that you attend. They'll look at your course preferences that you submitted and help you create a solid schedule for the fall. So don't worry, you're not on your own. You will not be selecting dates and times for classes in your course preferences. This will all be finalized at Ready, Set, Go registration days like I mentioned. The first page is the first year seminar choices. There's a link where you can read descriptions of each one. Make sure if you're in the honors program that you select the honors seminars. Once you're done with selecting your choices for the first year seminars, click Next Page at the bottom. The next step involves selecting preferences for general education courses you may want to take this fall. Again, don't stress. You can't go wrong with choosing these classes. A professor will help you and make sure you are taking good classes when you meet with one-on-one during registration. If you want to look at descriptions for these courses, you can click on the link on the page. Let's click Next Page when we're done with this part of the course preferences. This is the page where you'll indicate if you've taken any classes for college credit already. Make sure you list any dual credit, AP, or IB classes you've taken in high school. If you've already earned college credit, you'll need to send the transcript to IC so we can credit that course towards your IC degree. From here, we'll click Next Page at the bottom once we're done. This page shows some questions for us to get to know you better. It will help the professors that meet with you at registration to kind of gauge your interests and see what you enjoy and to help schedule your classes. This last page is to review the information you've selected. If you want to change something, you can always go back. This page also shows any errors you've made. Once you're done reviewing, scroll to the very bottom and be sure you clicked Submit Form. We're all done with course preferences. Like I mentioned before, you will meet with an advisor at your registration date that will sit down with you and finalize these classes. Then you'll leave Ready, Set, Go with an actual fall class schedule in hand. Once you've completed the course preferences, make sure you do your placement exams as well. If you have done all of this, then you're ready for your Ready, Set, Go registration date. Like I mentioned, be sure you have these completed at least a week before you come to Ready, Set, Go, so you're able to register for classes that day. I'm super excited for you to be here in the fall at IC, and I hope this video was helpful. And remember, if you see me at Ready, Set, Go, don't be afraid to say hi.